Viewers, Professor Fayu here with another very important topic, that is diet of brain. As we know, the diet for body is very necessary for survival and for living. Same like that, the diet of brain is also very important and very necessary. Diet of brain. But the diet of brain is different from the diet of body. Like we eat bread, fruits, meat, vegetables, and also drinks milk, water, or other liquid for the growth of body. Similar like that, our brain is also required some sort of diet for better growth. If you involve yourself in creative and positive activities, your brain will grow up in nice way. This is the diet of your brain. If we involve ourselves in creative and positive activities in daily life, it means the diet of brain is solid and creative. But if we involve ourselves in negative and useless activities, then we are putting the diet to our brain, which is useless and very dangerous. If we use the dirty diet for our body, so what are the consequences? Everybody can understand what will happen. We will be going down. Same like that, when we provide the negative and useless diet to our brain, we will face the consequences in our thinking approach. Result must be negative. Brain's working principle is very simple. Which you see, which you like, which you do, this is all the diet of your brain. This is the working process of your brain. Please avoid the negative activities and follow the positive activities. Maybe sometime you have dream of colorful life, enhance charming future, bank balance and luxury lifestyle, but do not have roadmap for the execution of these dreams. This is purely time-lossing activity, so please avoid these things. Come out from dream and start working for a better future. These sad dreams may give you happiness for a while, but not give you any comfort in life. So please avoid providing such type of diet to your brain. When we see the success of any other person, we feel jealous and have disliking behavior towards him. This is very dangerous for our brain development. We are doing this daily in our life and not observing the consequences which should cause the destruction of our brain. Please avoid these activities because it will trap you from the path of success and achievements. Success is purely dependent on your constant and continuous struggle in life. And if you think positive, it will enhance your capabilities. But if you have a limited and negative thinking approach, then it will destroy your brain and also future. So many people destroy themselves only because of thinking negative. A very famous sentence like, thinking have no limits but have gradings. So please have a upper grade thinking, not think like the devil persons. So please have focus on the sentence and magnify the key points. How much you are thinking, this is not important, but what is you are thinking, this is the important. This is the diet of your brain. Every day you should analyze your thinking and do comparison with your past. Then you should feel the change. These are common things but have very deep influence in our life. So please try to understand the importance of diet of brain and follow the positive and creative mode of thinking for betterment of yourself and your family. If we follow the path of positivity, creativity and provide the decent diet to our brain, then we will get surprises in the form of success, in the form of respect, in the form of position, in the form of gradings. So please guide your children, guide your youngers, guide your friends about the diet of brain and provide the diet in better way your brain and develop your brain in positive way. Do not focus on the negatives, do not focus on the destructive activities, do not feel jealousy on any other's success. Please get lesson from the success and follow how he get the success. This is the point. As you are careful for your body's diet, you should be careful for your mental diet. So please provide the sophisticated diet to your brain and become a very creative person in your community and civilize yourself by developing yourself and your family. May you get some lesson from my video. Thanks for watching and liking my videos. Your comments may help me in future for better and creative videos. Thank you. Bye bye.